DJI Avata 360. Find my drone. If the aircraft accidentally falls out of the air during flight, you can use the following methods to find the aircraft. Use the included USB-C data cable or your own data cable to connect the USB-C port of the goggles to your smartphone. Run DJI Fly, enter the profile page, and tap Find My Drone. The coordinates of when the aircraft was lost will be shown. Tap Use Other Maps to jump directly to the map app for navigation and search. After approaching the approximate location where the aircraft lost signal, if the aircraft's video transmission has reconnected, you can tap Start Flashing and Beeping, and the aircraft will sound beeps to help you locate the aircraft's exact position. In the goggles, you can also make the aircraft beep by selecting Settings Safety, and then enable ESC beeping. Camera view before loss helps to find the location of the aircraft on the ground by using the cached video of the aircraft 30 seconds before signal was lost. Do not take any unsafe actions when looking for or trying to retrieve a lost drone.